Okay, come on, sit down. Open, very good. Open. Okay, close the door, sit down. Close the door. Twice a day, every day.
Why is this steak have
For 2 minutes.
Why does this steak have to have giant?
Let me brush your brother's teeth, okay? Baby. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good. This is not easy. This is not glamorous. This is not sexy. This is real. No joke. It's 2 minutes. Every day. Chase. Good job. Done. Alright. Sometimes when you get it lost, you can get it right back like that. That's long enough. Open. Okay. It's always easier to do it from behind. It's better. Angles, vantage point. Yes, I'm going to got him it's the climate of an actual office on Monday, so he's fine. I haven't seen him in a while. Right? I haven't seen you, baby. All right. Done. Open, open, please, open. Thank you. Sorry. See, I know I missed it because I didn't hear that click. Meaning that point in which the floss goes beneath the context where the two teeth meet. Now the click may not be as apparent because context may not be as strong. I'm just saying. Come on, halfway done. Open. Done. Brush. Night brush. Everybody got their own toothpaste. 2 minutes. Open. Close a little. Close a little. Close a little. Watch out. Close a little. Close a little. Close a little. Ooh. Please close. Close, please. Close, please. Close, please. Thank you. There we go.